This is Mama Mish, and today in my magic kitchen, crab Rangoon. As American as baseball and apple pie. That's right, in case you didn't know, this appetizer has the name of the Burmese city of Rangoon, but was probably invented in the US by Asian American chef Joe Young in the 1950s, working under Victor Bergeron, the founder of Trader Vic's. That's the story. To be honest, it is not my favorite Chinese American appetizer at the restaurants, but I do love cream cheese and seafood combinations. They are delicious and so easy to make it at home. And in my never humble opinion, like most recipes, homemade is better. MMMK makes your kitchen magic.
Because it's all about the food, baby. This is hot stuff. Oh, hell yeah. Should have this for your next party. I'm double dipping. Y'all, this is so good. Let's eat.